Welcome back to Design Bundles YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Crystal and I have an amazing tip for you. If you're here because you're trying to figure out how to create an SVG to use as a cut file, a score file, or an engrave file all in one, you found the right place. So today I'm going to show you how to use our program Scape, which is less than $20 a month. I know that you have to pay at least $50 a month for Glowforge, but you can pay less than $20 a month. It's going to get you free files every single month because you're going to have your plus credits, which is going to give you free fonts, SVGs, PNGs, all of those things. You're going to get 15% off of our site, along with other perks. And one of them, if you're a Gold Plus member, which is less than $20 a month, you're going to be able to use our program Scape, which works flawlessly with Glowforge. So you're going to save money. So today I'm going to show you guys how to create your very own SVG to turn it into, like I said, that cut, engrave, and score file. So let's go ahead and dive right in. First off, let's go ahead and start off with the font that I'm using. The font that I'm using is Hello Melody, and it is from this bundle right here. This is a really big bundle. It's one of my absolute favorites. We have lots of font bundles here, as well as fonts in general. So any sort of font. And once again, if you guys become that Gold Plus member, you are going to get 50 free plus credits every single month, which you can build up. You don't have to use them right away. You can save them. Plus, you're going to get freebies. You're going to get free font. You're going to get them essentially free with those 50 free files every single month. So lots of perks that you guys are going to get here. So this is one of those bundles, though, like I said, that I use, and the font actually came from here, and it is Hello Melody. So I've actually used it to create another tutorial creating this acrylic keychain, which I'll show you guys here in a little bit. So if you guys want to see that, I have it linked down below as well as above to walk you through creating a 3-layer SVG here to create that cut, score, and all of those pieces. So I'm using this font right here. So we're going to go ahead and head on over to Scape. To get there, all you have to do is click on your Plus membership right here. I don't know why it does this and I'm not signed in. Hold on one second. Let me do this. This. All right, to access. All right, if you guys are a Gold Plus member, to access your Scape program, all you need to do is come right here where it says Plus membership, and then right down here, you're going to see where it says Scape. Once you click on this, it's going to take you right over here. There's a video with a tutorial giving you lots of tips and tricks of how to use Scape. You're simply just going to go ahead and hit Go to Scape. All right, so from here, I'm going to go ahead and click out this tab here. I've already inserted my font, but I'm going to go ahead and show you. Let's start from the very beginning of starting our SVG. Super simple. Now, if I talk too fast, you can definitely slow this video down. If you're watching on YouTube, there should be 3 dots up here or down below. You can click on those, and you can actually change the speed of this video to go slower or much faster. I like to watch stuff in 2.5 speed, so watch things super fast. So totally up to you. Or you can pause, rewind, and rewatch a few times. So the very first thing we want to do is go ahead and hit File, and then we're going to click on New. So once you click on New, you're going to have lots of different options here, but what I like to do is just keep it super easy and simple, depending on the size you're wanting to do. You can always scale these out later over there in Glowforge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit Print, and then I'm going to come down to where it's letter 8.5 by 11, just a basic size. The next thing I want to do is change my background. So I'm going to change my background to a transparent one. And then you can either hit Create here or simply hit Return on your keyboard, and it's going to open up your canvas. So this is our blank canvas. As you can see, it's a transparent one. And what we want to do is start working with that font. So to do so, you're just going to click on this letter T right here. From here, to change your font style right up here at the top, you're going to drop that menu down. If you guys are, once again, a Gold Plus member, you have the access to this Scape. This Scape is already preloaded with tons of fonts. So that's what's really cool in itself. It does come preloaded with a ton, and it previews what those look like. But you can also load your own. So what you can do is simply go to Load right here. You can search your computer, select it, insert it, and upload it. And then to find it in your find bar here, you're simply just going to go ahead and type out. So I would type out hello. And then you're going to see it pop up right here. You can also favorite these by clicking the star, and that way they'll be in your favorites. And then you can simply click on the star from now on. It's going to bring up all of those favorites for you. So we've got our font here, and then to change your size here, you can go ahead and do it right here. You can drop it down, and you can bring that dial over just like that. So I'm going to grab our little font bar. You can see that thing go in there. So I'm going to drag it to this area, and I'm going to start to type out. So for this here, I'm going to go ahead and type out design bundles. All right, there we go. So now to change the size of this, we're going to go up to our selector tool, which is right here. And then I'm going to hold down the shift, and then I'm going to grab one of these corners. So shift, and then grab my mouse, and I'm going to drag out. So you want to hold that shift to keep it proportional. And then once you get the size you want, let go of your mouse, and then let go of your keyboard. And then you can size these out just to kind of move it around. All right, so how do you turn it into that SVG that's going to work? You need to do a few things. Number one, we're going to go over here to layer. We're going to go to raster size. So we're on layer. You're going to drop down to raster size. You're going to click it. And then from here, we're going to go over here to image. And then we're going to go over here to vector bitmap. So two major things. You needed to raster size and then vector bitmap. So it's going to bring these two designs up here, showing you everything's good to go. We're going to click OK. So now you see that little blue line. So you may need to zoom in here a little bit. You can see that blue line around that. Now it's turned into a cut file. So you can engrave with this, you can score with this, you can cut it, and all of those things. So that's it. Now, if you wanted to and you want to make multiple layers like I did with this keychain, like I said, check that tutorial out and I'll show you how to make multiple layers. Now, once you're ready to go with this, all you're simply going to go ahead and do is click File, and then you're going to go to Export As an SVG. Make sure you choose SVG. It's going to show you right here. And then we're going to go ahead and hit save. So it's popped right up here at the top. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you, I'm going to bring it into Glowforge just to show you that it works. So we're going to head on over here to Glowforge, and I've already got a piece of material in my machine just to kind of have it ready to go for you. We're going to hit the plus and we're going to click upload. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to recents, and then I'm going to find my file. Now give me a second to click on this. So just, like I said, just edit it back to where I'm searching for my file right here. All right, so mine is right here. We're going to click it. We're going to click on upload, and it's going to bring it right inside for us. So from here, we'll let it kind of come in here. Where the heck did it go? Oh, there it is. Hold on one second. Let me grab it. I'm going to drag it up here. Well, let me just, I'm trying to, how do I do that? Just leave it here. All right, so mine actually came down here a little bit, so I'm just going to go ahead and drag it right up here into place. So as you can see, we created our very own SVG, and I'm going to show you if we click on it right here, it's given us the option to engrave, to cut, to score, and ignore. So it gives us all of the options across the board. Like I said, you know, sometimes you get those files or you're creating your very own, but then when you get here, it doesn't work. It's only going to engrave. So you need to have it do the vectorizing bitmap for it. You need to raster size and do all those things. But you see, it was super easy. And like I said, with our program, you're going to get lots of freebies. You're going to get 15% off on the marketplace if you want to purchase other files that you can use right along with your Glowforge. So I do recommend that you guys check it out. Right now, you guys can check it out for as little as $3. So you guys can check it out for an entire month. Play around with that design scape and bring those files over to Glowforge and tell us what you think. So, and there you guys have it. It was so easy. And once again, I highly recommend that you guys check it out. Play around with our program. It works flawlessly alongside Glowforge. You're able to use, we even have tons of already ready to go projects for your Glowforge. So I do highly recommend that you guys check it out. If you guys found this helpful, please give us a big thumbs up. And if you're not already following our Facebook community group, definitely go check it out. We have lots of inspiration going on over there, hundreds of thousands of other crafters just like yourself. They are creating with our files, and you're going to see tons and tons of inspiration along with giveaways and other freebies. So definitely make sure you guys check it out. We have all of those things linked down below. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, once again, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.